Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Joy Rodrigueza, and if you've been here, welcome back. So today we have another eye makeup tutorial, and we will be doing a halo black and gold eye makeup today. So yeah, I'll be showing you the steps on how to achieve this eye makeup. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel so you can be part of this growing family. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So first, I'm gonna fix my eyebrows, and I'm using the MAC brow eyeliner in the shade of 02. And I'm applying it right now to my eyebrows just to fix it. And I am using a flat small brush to apply it on my eyebrow. And now I'm using the concealer from Finius just to clean the edges of my eyebrow to achieve the shape that I want to for my eyebrows. And now I'm slowly brushing it out to blend everything. And now I'm using the concealer from Beauty Glaze, and I'm adding it on my eyelid right now. And then I'm using a small beauty blender to spread all the products on my eyelid. And to seal the concealer, I'm using the loose powder from Revlon Candid. Because most of the time, if you will not put a loose powder or setting powder on your concealer, they tend to crack. So now I'm using the lightest shade using the Morphe palette to apply on my eyelid, and I'm brushing it back and forth and on a circular motion from the outer V and into the inner V of my eyelid. And now I'm taking a darker shade and I'm applying it now on my eyelid, and this time I'm applying it a little bit lower from the first shade that I apply on my eyelid as a transition shade. And basically what we are doing here is that we are just layering a darker shade to your eyelid to create this like half C on your eyelid. And now I'm taking the darkest shade and applying it again on my eyelid. As you can see guys, I'm just layering the color on my eyelid. And the secret is just to keep on blending and not to go over into the middle of the eyelid, because that's where you will gonna put the halo of your eyeshadow. And now I'm using the black eyeliner from MAC and applying it on the outer and inner V of my eyelid. And I'm using a brush to blend this one guys, and it's actually hard to blend using a brush, but if you want to go on the eyeshadow color black, it's okay, you can do that. But I just want to use this black eyeliner because I think that it can enhance the color. Now I'm slowly creating a half crease on my eyelid so that it will be easy for me to create the halo on my eyelid. And now I'm taking the black eyeshadow to set the eyeliner that I apply on my eyelid so that they will not move and stay longer on my eyelid. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know. Will we live forever? And if I let you go. And then again, I'm taking the darkest brown eyeshadow and applying it again on my crease to intensify the color. Now to create my halo, I'm using again the Kimuse concealer to create that like a half moon shape on the middle of my eyelid. Not allowed, 'cause if I hurt you then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know. Now that I'm done creating the halo on my eyelid, now I'm setting it using the Candid Loose Powder from Revlon. And now I'm taking the gold with a shimmer eyeshadow and applying it on my halo. Then I'm going back to the black eyeshadow to apply again on my inner and outer V just to intensify the color, and I'm brushing it downwards so that I will not ruin the halo on the center of my eyelid. And now I'm going back to the darkest brown eyeshadow and I'm applying it in the middle of the gold and the black eyeshadow just to blend the two together. Using the same eyeshadow, I'm applying it now on my lower lash to, kind of mimic whatever we did on our eyelid. And then again, I'm taking a lighter shade to again apply it on my lower lash. Then I'm taking the lightest shade to layer the shadow on my lower lash and then just blending it back and forth. Using the same black eyeliner from MAC, I'm just creating a black eyeliner to create a base for my false lashes.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. You've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute.
And then on my lower lash, I'm taking the black eyeshadow again to kind of create the same what we did on our eyelid.
I love this moment, yeah.
And then using a black liner, I'm adding it on my waterline. This is just a cheap black eyeliner, guys, nothing fancy. And now I'm taking the Hyper Curl from Maybelline to apply it on my lashes before I will apply or wear a false lashes.
Life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Then to complete this look, I'm just adding a bronzer on my face, and obviously I already applied my foundation off cam. So I'm just adding this bronzer to put back the color on my face and also to contour my nose. And by the way, I'm using the bronzer from Rimmel. And then for my highlighter, I'm using the highlighter from Strom in the shade of gold. And basically, I'm applying it on my cheekbone, on my brow bone, my nose, my forehead, and my cupid, and also to my chin.
You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute.
And then for my blush on, I'm using the Wet n Wild blush on.
Yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
And then to set everything, I'm using this face powder from Nichido in the shade Ivory.
Stay a minute. Stay a minute.
And then last but not the least, for my lips, I'm using the Kylie lipstick.
Stay a minute, another minute.
So I will just finalize my look, guys, and then I will be back for the final look. Today, guys, I hope that you find this video very helpful to create this halo eye makeup. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you will not miss any of my video. And yeah, if you want to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on your social media, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media, guys. There you go, I'm gonna be showing you on the screen. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!